Imagine having the financial freedom to live life on your own terms. Sounds amazing, right? But tiny habits can hold you back from achieving your goals. Let's break free from the top 10 habits that keep you stuck. Habit 1: Not having a portfolio career. Ditch the single income stream risk. Build a portfolio career by monetizing your skills and creating multiple streams of income. What's the next income stream you can build? Take action today and start diversifying your income. Habit 2: Playing the status game. Stop buying things to impress others. Ask yourself, is this helping me build the life I want? And would I still want this if no one else knew? Be honest and make intentional purchasing decisions. Habit 3: Financial clutter. Get clarity on your finances, track your spending, automate your bills, and schedule a weekly financial cleanup. You will be amazed at how much stress you will reduce and how much progress you will make. Habit 4: Comparison. Comparison is a joy stealer. Focus on your own progress, celebrate your wins, and don't compare your behind the scenes moments to someone else's highlight reel. You got this? Habit 5: Paying the convenience tax. Stop paying extra for convenience. Plan ahead, save money, and break the cycle of overspending. Your wallet will thank you. Habit 6: Playing follow the leader. Stand out by doing something different. Find a niche that makes you unique and focus on building your own path. Don't blend it. Shine. Habit 7: Thinking you know it all. Stay curious, ask questions, and be open to feedback. Growth happens when you are willing to learn. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance. Habit 8: Focusing on problems. Shift your mindset to solve problems and create opportunities. Ask yourself what's the solution and take actions towards your goals. Habit 9: Watching someone else's ladder. Focus on your own progress, not someone else's. Celebrate your wins and keep moving forward. You are on your own unique journey. Own it. Habit 10: Limited social circle. Expand your circle to include people who challenge and inspire you. New energy and mindsets can unlock new possibilities. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. So, which habit will you break free from first? Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Track your spending, create a budget, or start building a new income stream. Share your progress with me in the comments below. Let's do this.